Hello everyone, if DLSS 4.5 is not showing on your NVIDIA app, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable the DLSS 4.5 model on your graphics card easily. First off, you're going to open up your NVIDIA app, and once you open up the NVIDIA app, you're going to go into settings. And when you go into settings, you're going to go into about then. After that, you're going to click onto this checkbox which is saying opt in to access beta or experimental features. So once you click onto that early access checkbox, you'll get an update for your NVIDIA app. And once you update your NVIDIA app, you'll get an update for a GeForce Game Ready Driver. And once you get the driver update, you're going to update your GeForce Game Ready Driver. And when you do that, you'll have version 591.74. And now if you see here, right under hardware, you'll see that it says support for NVIDIA DLSS 4.5 super resolution. So we have DLSS 4.5 model on a graphics card now. Now you're just going to go into graphics and select any game onto this list. And after that, you're going to scroll down at the right menu. You're going to select DLSS override and just click onto global here. And when you click on global, now you're going to click onto latest and then click apply. And once you click apply, it will apply the DLSS 4.5 model on your game. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.